Are you looking for the best camping tables? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best camping tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 20. Chosen as Clever Hiker's editor's pick, we can't get enough of the GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 20. This side table is lightweight and sturdy enough to hold up to 60 pounds. It's the perfect companion to keep your drinks, games, and electronics off the dirt. It would also work well as a dinner table for one. When folded, it is so slim it can fit into almost any space, and setup takes seconds with a simple pull from either side of the tabletop. To add to this table's appeal, you have 2 height options, and its telescoping legs stay stable in sand and snow. If that isn't convincing enough, the affordable price makes it hard not to consider this as an option for your next adventure. Number 2. Coleman Compact Roll Top Aluminum Table. Voted as Clever Hiker's budget buy, the Coleman Compact Roll Top Aluminum Camping Table balances price and dependability. Although this table doesn't have the largest surface area, it is designed to seat 4 comfortably and can easily hold a stove and prep items if used as a cook table. Its steel frame and aluminum tabletop are built to last while remaining lightweight enough to carry in its bag. The separate foldable tabletop snaps on quickly to the frame and sets up in seconds. While the legs are not adjustable, they offer excellent stability on most terrain. This Coleman roll top table can serve as a side table, dinner table, or cook table, and with its lightweight, compact size, and durability, it provides great value. Number 3. Portal Outdoors Quick Adjust Roll-Up Table. If you want a table with a large surface area and adjustable height, the Portal Outdoors Quick Adjust Roll-Up Table is an excellent choice. As the name suggests, this table is wide enough to accommodate a family of 4 or all your cookware, and it folds into a compact carry bag. Setting it up is straightforward, with the frame easily unfolding and the slatted tabletop snapping into place. Independently adjustable legs provide stability on any terrain. Although the clamps are made of plastic, they held tight throughout the season and never showed signs of breaking or snapping off. A mesh bag underneath the table takes just a moment longer to set up but provides a space for books, towels, a deck of cards, and other items you don't want in the dirt. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station. For car camping and cooking for families, the GCI Master Cook Station is as functional as outdoor kitchen stations get. It offers ample counter space and several features that make it almost as easy as cooking at home. The countertop provides enough room for a 2-burner stove, food prep area, and storage for condiments. A sink at one end also makes doing the dishes more manageable. A lower rack is useful for storing extra supplies, and hooks on the end tables hold your cooking utensils or a garbage bag. Bonus features include a telescoping lantern pole, cup holders, and a paper towel holder. Even with every shelf on this table full, it remains stable and reliable. You won't be disappointed when using this to cook your next award-winning meal in the woods. Number 5. Mountain Summit Gear Deluxe Roll Top Kitchen. If you enjoy home-cooked meals at the campsite, the Mountain Summit Gear Deluxe Roll Top Kitchen provides ample counter and storage space to prepare a gourmet-inspired meal outdoors. The large surface offers enough room for a 2-burner stove and prep area, while the removable storage compartment can hold extra food and keep it dry. The adjustable legs help keep everything stable on uneven ground, even when it's loaded. Plus, we were impressed by how easy it is to pack up and stow away in its convenient carry bag. The roll-top kitchen is a great option for those who want some creature comforts from home but prefer a low-maintenance setup.